Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on WhatsApp run at user login. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on WhatsApp runs at user login, in search type WhatsApp, right click on WhatsApp and then click on app settings. Now scroll down. You will find here run set login and now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now WhatsApp is turned on to run at user login. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.